Okay, upward we go. If I sound out of breath, I am. Boys, I found something. What'd you guys find? Frog? Orbit? He thinks you guys are giant monsters.
Your frog there in the basement. He was hopping around. I said, what are you doing? And then he went there, poof, ate the box.
Where's he at?
We have a pet frog. I just realized in our basement.
Yeah, you do. In your basement, they eat the box.
Wrong way.
What do you mean, Mama? Oh no, I'm recording myself. Oh my God. Oh boy.
He's recording himself.
Now he just batteries dead, I think.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh man.
Yeah, wow, Grandpa. Wow.